Good morning. My name is Wayne, and I just want to show you this project. And we're going through over the pond with all the nice koi's in it. Let me just show you some. There we go. Here they are. Beautiful, eh? Look at that. Every day the same. This is the hallway. This has been painted. You can see it. And then this is where it starts. This is where it starts. This is the foyer. This is amazing. They're taking down the chandelier, and then they're going to put this chandelier up. Look at that, eh? You don't even want to look at it, it's so expensive. This is Wayne, I was telling you about. This is the foreman. He's full of shit, but he knows what he's doing, and everybody listens. Thank you, Wayne. This is a wonderful setup that you've done. Okay, I'm going to go upstairs. You must know, there's not a drop of paint. There's nothing. We've looked, can't find. This is it upstairs here. This is how it is. I just want to show you it back this way. Look at that, eh? Look at that. You know what effort was put into doing this. You don't want to believe me how high it is. This is beautiful. This is Kamal's bedroom. This is where they're going to do a lot of the shooting. Is the bathroom, and in the bathroom we have two very important gentlemen here. The man on the ladder, his name is Victor, and the man standing with his back to me, his name is Augustine. Look how nice this looks, eh? Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Say good morning, gentlemen. There we go, thank you very much. This is the normal color of the house. There we go. That is now the color for the movie. This is where the main movie will be shot, in this room. This is also pretty extent, very high. Very high. And this is his bathroom. Yeah, which has been done as well. This is all on finals. Amazing, eh? Look at it. My guys, professionals, they know exactly what they're doing. Okay, this is the other room next to the main bedroom. Excuse me. This was done. Look at it, eh? Beautiful. Beautiful. They're very happy. This morning we had a little inspection. She's very, very happy. I told her, please phone my boss. He's the one that needs to know. Okay, here we go. This is upstairs. Don't you think that was beautiful? Now we're going down. Everything is covered. Everything was covered. You couldn't see the floors when we painted here because we had every single inch of this place covered, to show them that we know what we're doing. This is what they call Kamal's office. Kamal is the main actor, so they call it, according to him, where he's going to be done, where the shooting is going to take place. This is huge. This is the size of half of my house. Okay, let's not talk about my house. This is the bar. This is where a lot of the action is going to be done. You can see all the pillars behind the fridge and everything gets painted. See, look there. Original. That's an original. Beautiful, eh? We're into the passage. Okay, this is it. This is huge, eh? Look at that cupboard. Yeah, we're not going to go there. That's too much money. We won't talk about that. Look at this, eh? This is the dining room. Look at it, it's amazing. This is a 12-seater table. You can't even lift it, it's so heavy. Here we're coming into the TV room. This gentleman's name is Patrick. Say morning, Patrick. Morning. Thank you, morning. They're busy finalizing the TV room. That is the TV, a curved TV. Yeah, it's huge. Look at this, eh? This is done with love from the heart. We put our soul and our heart into it. We're going into what's called the pool room, and that's Lassie. Now this chap, he's the shortest man on the squad, and he's the most dangerous, wanted in Zimbabwe. That's why he's in South Africa. This is what they call the pool room because of the pool table. This is the kitchen. This paint was a headache, but it's not a headache anymore. It's on the wall. Look at it, eh? Everywhere. This is very, very concentrated areas to paint. You can believe me when I tell you, with all this woodwork in the kitchen, it's probably valued more than my house, just the kitchen. I hear Patrick laughing at me, which is the truth. His name is Ranga. Ranga is very dedicated to what he's doing. He's very precise in what he does. I'm still trying to find a drop of paint. No paint messed. You can see how the cuttings in and above everything. Now you must know this whole place has to be covered, which we did. It's all off now. We're just finalizing on certain things. This is where it's all gonna happen. The movie's all gonna happen in this way I'm showing you. And obviously don't touch anything you're not allowed to touch. That's what our boss wants, and that's what we're gonna give him. Tinus is our boss, Botma. He's an amazing person. I'm very thankful and grateful for this opportunity that we had to do this. And I want to say congratulations to our crew, Cape Painters, the best in the West. Believe me when I tell you that. I still want to get competition that can beat us. Okay, listen, that's me signing off, Wayne Martin. And Wayne, team leader, to you all, have a lovely Thursday, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers, bye-bye.